I've been exploring the Ellevest mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased take on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Ellevest mobile app. First, let's talk about what Ellevest actually offers. Ellevest is an investing platform designed specifically around women's financial realities, like longer lifespans, career breaks, and the pay gap, with over $1.6 billion in assets under management and a community of millions. It focuses on goal-based investing, so you tell the app whether you're saving for a home, a business, a splurge, or retirement, and it builds a personalized portfolio for you. Now, let's get into the features. Ellevest uses diversified portfolios with automatic rebalancing and tax minimization strategies, aiming to keep you on track even when markets are choppy. There's also an impact investing angle, letting you direct money toward issues that disproportionately affect women, plus access to an all-women team of financial planners and regular market insights. The pricing is straightforward, at around $12 a month or a discounted annual plan, which bundles investing tools and education in one place. Next, the interface. The app leans into a clean, reassuring experience that's approachable for beginners, with articles and learning resources built in so you're not just investing blindly. Many users highlight that it helps remove the intimidation factor, especially for younger investors getting started. Now, the cons and issues. The biggest red flag is that the mobile app is no longer supported, and Ellevest now pushes you to use a web browser for full access, which is a real drawback if you want a pure mobile experience. Some users also feel the in-app data and portfolio transparency could be deeper, with more intuitive ways to see what you own, why you own it, and how it's changing over time. And while the flat monthly fee keeps things simple, it can feel expensive for very small account balances because you're paying the same subscription regardless of how much you have invested. So, in conclusion, Ellevest delivers a thoughtful, mission-driven investing experience with strong goal-based tools and education, especially appealing if you like its focus on women's financial needs and impact investing. Just keep in mind the shift away from the mobile app and the subscription-style pricing when deciding if it's the right fit for how you want to manage your money. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.